Hello and welcome to the first edition of the program called
Weird.
This is a program where we tell you about things that will happen inside the country, Sierra Leone. But before ever, my name is Ali UCC and
Me now, Usman Justin.
we got Christmas gifts for you for start this program.
And we give you this Christmas bonanza for long now. Really no say the game don't bala.
You don't mistake. They not say balabala, they say babala.
But not to me say now, we can't take and I say bala.
The high expectation of the citizens about the Lomé Bridge meant that the day long balabala. For my days during traveling, the day long balabala.
That's what he said. But anyway, I'm not gonna blame you, sir. Not for you. No mean any offense. So I'm not gonna blame you. I will blame the one that will write the script for you. That things say they not give you enough time for you able for years. For call and balabala.
No. Ali, wait. You don't get for blame you, alright. You say no sabiri when I even create order one day. Yeah, babala, you call them balabala.
No, you know say sometimes if you see the word babala, if you say na bala, then they were right.
Oh, we don't know something at the stress of the country.
Exactly. Okay, well, let me give you now the Christmas gift. This not you know, like you now the Christmas gift we get. We get one song we want to give you now for wish you now Merry Christmas. Okay.
Of course.
So please, wanna listen to the words them inside the song. You all ready?
I'm ready for you.
That will go.
No, go.
1, 2, 3, go.
We dey now we are. We dey now we are. We dey now we are. Usighting for in the tanga every day. We dey now we are.
Salary.
We dey now we are. We dey now we are. Usai me salary no ever make me family smile. We do wish you a Merry Christmas.
We want for
Wish you a Merry Christmas.
we want for wish you a Merry Christmas
From we are Sierra Leone. We dey now we are. We dey now we are. We dey now we are. Usai police they kidnap journalists for ask question. Yeah. We dey now we are. We dey now we are. We dey now we are. Usai caretaker they want free impress.
What's wrong with that?
We want for wish you a Merry Christmas. We want for wish you a Merry Christmas. We want for wish you a Merry Christmas from we are Sierra Leone.
Merry Christmas
To everybody.
Alright, that's not the gift talking for now. We're going now inside the main things them inside the game. The yarding things them. The first thing we would look for inside this yard program today. We can take a view, the mock, one journalist, we allege say police kidnapper for sake away ask question to the chief minister. Hey.
But the big thing that happen in this country,
Guess
how the country they go.
Guess waiting. Even when caretaker bio they mock the journalist, he do one right in front of incompetent journalists them.
But then say not get much for talk and defend.
And they invite them for cocktail. So all waiting they can do now for laugh and clap.
I don't know what's the reason. You know say some man the way drink don't sweeter, more especially on a free drink.
At least waiting caretaker bio say.
In my other life, I will love to be a journalist so that I can be sending text messages to special people, especially who care about their reputation, seeking clarification on allegations. That will be the beauty of my retirement job anyway. And I hope my would-be journalist colleagues will give me the fullest support if I'm invited to the police.
Yeah, I see. I read the but let me tell you one thing. To me, that is a total provocation to certain people in a way they not be fit for give them kind of statement that they against.
But wait, the journalist what we they talk about here na Saliu Tijan Jallow. This they try for ask question to the chief minister say EcoBank then see what account away money they inside. If you don't ever open account to EcoBank, you not tap the SL Mining, one company where they mine a salon, where they want for take the withdraw the license in hand. They say they allege, now make I say then say this chief minister be the first for this company made them no lock up. So this journalist gets this thing, he asks question.
Now the cabal is what they try for talk about. Now so we consider left. Mr. A in there with Mr. B, as long as they didn't this one cabal, if Mr. A do something where Mr. B supposed for prosecute, they know they do it because they ordinary one cabal.
But me, let's talk to me paddy journalist. Do you? Before this cocktail, I've been hearing Amadou Lamine ask certain questions them na social media. If he been get opportunity for ask the caretaker question, na then question and they for being put so almost not spend for organize that kind of cocktail day. Una no do an state house garden no. Una go do an outside garden in blue. Una pay. No, I know the tell me say you no pay. Una pay. Almost not spend for drink and eat. Okay, well if I follow the president and meet his journalist there, but okay, okay, oh, the game done balabala. I glad before that thing really happened. The libel law, the criminal libel
the part
law.
5 criminal libel law.
I say this na slap. Now we former caretaker in face, caretaker Kuruma. You know what to make us say so? Inside 2007, caretaker Kuruma, this is one of the most important things them where he used for campaign. Say if he be president, he go pull, when they say he go expunge or he go punch out the part 5 of the criminal libel law come out inside the law book and salon.
Okay.
That law they don't all. And interestingly, not for journalists no more do. It's there for even anybody. Like right away social media don't balance so. If you mistake do something, possible just come boop. And like for example, this how they call her, the chief minister, he can just use and say the journalist want slander in character. And that's what they can call out. He wants slander in character.
Fabulem no even doubt waiting make we know they get proper information about we country. Because the cabal don't make the journalists them, the pressman them, people the way the social media not get freedom, not get the mind again for the tell we the right things the way they happen in our country. Because that the engage say when you talk the truth, you talk the things the way they happen in our country. As long as you talk against people the way they the cabal, you know they get you freedom. The next day, wait till they see now soldier man and policeman them for only go to Padema Road. Now so we country don't there?
Let's tell you something.
Talking on the east.
They're not the arrest.
Not talking in the camera. Talking
They're
on the
not
east.
they arrest you. Then they kidnap you. Then they call you say, I get adverts for you. Come meet me.
No wonder.
When you go, they put gun everything by you.
No wonder when the game don't
Asabi them, Asabi.
No wonder.
Asabi.
No wonder.
But still, if this part 5 of the public this criminal libel law, if they really pull them, how can I take a bill? I clap for you. Former caretaker Kuruma, you don't get nothing for do again. I give you thumbs down. You form. You for don't get name for this business, but you form. You really form. Caretaker Kuruma.
But me brother, you sure say they're going to pull them as when they talk? Not to camouflage?
I see that the sentiments to repeal just simply repeal a law that criminalizes free speech, which is a fundamental human right. Every citizen of Sierra Leone, not just journalists, including the MPs themselves. Because I was hoping that when we come here, we'll do the first reading and then Parliament will go on recess and then January will resume, and then continue the process and then we'll have a repeal within the next 3 months. So with this kind of sentiment they've expressed and calling for an amendment to the IMC Act to go together with the repeal, I think that will be the process a bit because there's a whole lot of
At first, me party journalists them in Gladio, but right now if you ask them, they're not too Gladio because they're not even sure whether they go pull them. But anyway, until they go meet up again next year. Happy New Year! I hope say the yard committee the member then at the Yard Committee go see this law as important thing for pull up. Come on, the law book. Yeah, it's all now.
We go glad in Mifambule if as waiting them talk for say then they pull them. If them pull them, we all go glad because they give freedom to people who are supposed to deserve them.
Exactly. Anyway, tin. Who that dirty tin? Nobody but now Mr. YOU. Hey, it don't cam. Tin don't really cam. It don't cam. Tin don't really cam. The Yard Committee member them, they all fake debate right now. For distract people them, the Yardonians them. Not for pay attention on certain issue where they come up. You remember the time where Yardonian them, the issue of this same chief minister and an alleged corruption case come up.
The cabal again.
Then say they get all the information then and then care and go to the caretaker. Caretaker no say nothing. In fact, he just say the time where this thing been come up, now the time where he been there with Macron, now France, they come for discuss things then where for make the country go before. Papa.
But me brother, what really they doubt me on this particular issue we just present at the table so where caretaker I know call name.
Hey, but tell me who that. Caretaker.
Caretaker thief or chief? I don't know. Thief or chief?
Oh, the chief minister.
Okay.
Okay.
Chief
the
minister.
Chief minister.
Good. The other caretaker, waiting at the other yard, what we feel say now in there for fetch them kind here.
The anti-corruption commissioner.
Now the same caretaker, we are small. He give statements for cover up caretaker thief minister.
Jesus.
The other big caretaker, we cover them all. He self-calm. He can't begin to talk. We will not understand. So, me brother, I don't really know Fambulem.
I've been talk about this fake debate. Where the Yard Committee wants to make them pull attention from this chief minister issue. Now they go now next. Boom! Guess what thing they go do?
Tell me about.
They go say them pass one law. Wait for make the president, the vice president. Now they add the whole Yard Committee member boss. When are the speaker of the Yard Committee say then for use salon people their money free for go anytime they want for go nobody know for ask them question.
Okay,
because they want to let people come out from that chief minister in issue. They want. Can I tell you something? I be not the way they practice good one. Any way you want interview politician, how you do research for the politician? Now so the politician they do research for divert all you question them. It go tell like say when you send Watana doxing back. Now say they can they soka one. Some politician then get sense so they get sense. How you think say you for pay attention for one thing and the count other thing? Now the chief minister you go under the carpet.
But me brother, and I think this way I've been talking like this. If you remember, one time we drink of dirty coffee now, yeah? I tell you, say, me brother, I don't back now we had. Where I get for tell you say, I said this one where then they try for cow with so say that they can pass a bill where the big caretaker where the game done balabalapa. Then they can get a law where we say where it take this couple, you know, for give an account of farm. I tell you one day, when they drink dirty coffee, now I tell you, I say, brother, something don't happen now, we are they don't count something they can cover up. The chief minister in your own babalati, what you don't do.
I remember. Behold, the chief minister inside the department. But anyway, then say, outside and tie cow. Now they eat. Would that be say so?
I think na Papa Sheki.
Former caretaker Siaka Steven.
Oh, okay.
Papa Sheki.
Okay.
But wait, how this thing they go on now?
Now waiting again.
How thing they really go on?
Now waiting again.
For say we Yard Committee member they no get sense on their own. Or for say waiting as say na two, for say them be just do this. for distract we. Anyway, I no need for waste boku energy for them.
For let not take people in time. That day, other boku thing they will get for fall bien towards that day. But as we do a program, then go get more. Let me just left that day and jump to another topic.
Guess what thing that happen again?
Now waiting. You just say forgive me them.
Good thing. Good thing happen. You know Falaba be the part of Kabbalah.
Yeah. Not for the new district,
one of
the
new
new districts
inside we had. Now this district here, now one of the districts in this way, it dey bien pan development.
I understand about the new district where you try for talk, but where one me somebody been just tell me say the only development within this district na radio station.
And now they open the radio station. And not a play. Caretaker Bio don't turn dirty for make them build the first health center in that place there.
Now only dirty no more block not in that itself.
Where no say things they begin from one. They say 1,000 miles begins with one step. Say little drops of water and then they make mighty oceans. Small water and then they make big ocean and tea. Normally na so kinta like former caretaker Kuruma. Na so we go turn dirty na Kiyama Wood. Na so we go turn dirty na Wokupa. Na so we dey turn dirty, and indeed things they don't team up right now. So caretaker Bio, I respect you.
Well,
we know say that thing ain't past 6 months. It could not happen.
Well,
they need them. They really need health center in that place. They not only no more. They need beaucoup things than a Falaba. And not to Falaba no more. Other districts and they suffer. If you look into them, they are.
Well, you don't give you expect. Me, I know they talk nothing it. Because let it not be tomorrow say, then they use this thing for camouflage with people them, for waiting they want tomorrow. For turn dirty, for turn sansan, and for begin ace block, now two different things. So since you don't congratulate, me, I DBM first, I wait until I see the first block begin to snap before ever I talk something before the camera.
I'm not glad with you.
For waiting.
For saying you know it's a big good thing. For say where the caretaker they do good thing. Or where the government
forget
do
me, brother, we sabi we caretaker them. They can camouflage. We can understand. When they want to draw your attention on certain thing, then they give flashback. So I'm not confused for just see Sansan, for just see the angry being they go quarter, they say on commission, I take and see the health center, don't enough, no? And they only wait until I begin see, they begin as the foundation, the block already begins to happen. I go get something for talk to me people then.
Okay, no problem. But me, I respect me caretaker. You know, will tell me nothing but
no problem.
I respect her. As a German, when you say hey. Nah, hey.
Not also German active.
Well, this boy is Sabian.
Me, when I saw German, they're weak.
No, this is Sabian. When you talk so, I just jump small one.
Tell me that.
To me caretaker in baby.
Okay. That big lady, oh, they report to them say, I ain't get that program, then they say,
Hands of our girls. Hands of our girls, now a very good project too.
Yes, of course, my people then.
It happen at different parts in the world.
If no one has some to the whole water.
And for the whole water, plenty things in the way you get for Duma. Plenty things then. You know, say where you can rape, for example, in number 1. We know get better hospital than for able for no say this true, they don't penetrate param. And see? Do you have that small couple them when you get together right now under this project? Do you? Mono you say you don't turn other kind people them for go and build other side them. Do you? Let's tell you what I want for they do that couple the way they give you. Make them count machine we go they able for detect say yes it's possible. It put in waiting by this possible. Do you have a big man? Hands off our girls.
The other advice I get towards this hands of our girls, my brother, as we talk about sooner, yeah? Madam, you now we mama right now.
Yes.
This now advice to you, ma.
Yes, ma.
You don't tell me say hands off
our girls.
Say, do ya, ma? as you dey go with this thing this way, now a very fine program for we. It dey help sisters them, it dey help girl picking them, it dey help mama them. But one main thing I dey advise, let we not use this thing for put any political affairs inside this program. Meaning, if Mr. A go rape, you take action against Mr. A. The day when Mr. B they go rape, let it be the same action. Because we had now we country where we know say people and they use influence. We are in, if this man don't go do something, as long as he no get any affiliation with this other political party,
they punish him quick.
They punish him quick. That other man where they now that other political party where they in governance at the main time, when he do something, then they take cover. So this na my own advice. Hands of our girls, let it be open for everybody. Anybody where rape Pekin, where rape Kumra, where rape woman, now that country day, let it get one punishment. Let it not be side by side. Now my own advice this. I don't know what you think of
Hands off our girls, they walk.
We go
As
happy.
they talk so right now. 128 years old young man. Guess what he do?
Tell me back.
He go do the business with 147 years of age woman.
That reminds me now something where myself get an idea of. One somebody now we had, be just a whisper na me AC. That bobo day or that man day. He do that thing there for that man. He do and say the mommy it's well.
In private swell. It's well.
Yeah.
But good thing.
Tell me.
He not go free.
Okay.
Because the law now we had say when you do that business day without somebody in consent, where they call rape, you dey go 15 years jail.
So you want to tell me say the one way do this thing, he already don't go prison or waiting he dey first na court.
10 years. Bro.
They don't sentence him.
Then beg for I go 10 years. Hands off our
Our
women.
girls.
All man.
You call them women now because now 45 years of age?
47.
47 years of age. Wow.
And the worst one, this na 47, that guy go 10 years. If you, that can hear they say them baby them 3 months of age. How on earth? How you stand so? 3 months. Then they go down.
Tell me something.
3 months and they rape them.
3 months.
3
Baby
months.
where in a hand.
We're not even, I don't know. Then they rape them. Now we are. Let's tell you one thing where they been doing. Now inside we had one side where they call Pujam. 7 man them. And they rape a woman. Then rape him, then kill him, then put Sansana in mouth and all thing.
But that particular issue there, my brother and sister them. Where you say they don't do anything towards them.
No, they been do. They been catch and a long time I tell you so, but I don't tell you no more the seriousness of the thing where they happen.
Okay.
They are beg, oh, I beg. Una hands off woman them, una hands off with gas. Hands
No,
off,
no, they go
please.
cry.
Hands off. Hands off. Now we mama them.
Now we sister them.
You know I this song? Woman now we mama.
Woman now we sister.
Woman now we auntie. Woman now we lover. You want Chanda woman? If you
for
want
Bella.
do one with them,
If for
you
Bella.
for do one for. Not for some for do one. Not tired for do one. Take that no cry for woman now. I beg. Hey, please. On a serious note, this not a thing. We not dey make laugh of her. Anybody will engage 15 years. Boom. If I go.
If I go.
If I go. We
Don't
not
dey,
get
don't dey, if I go
If I
it.
go,
If I go
don't
it,
dey,
don't
don't dey. If I
Don't
go
dey.
dey. If I go dey. There. We dey call left for now. We dey call left for now. We hope for come back next week. We get serious thing, and this time the light one we bring to now so because of waiting. We just want make you know waiting we get for the deal with.
Okay. Famulem, this na the program call we had. As we dey tell you, we get boku bundle, but we'll just begin lose this bundle half. We're not going to lose a one ten. As time day goes on, we will give you now more.
Inside we next edition, we'll tell you something but with Premier League. It's like say the Premier League ain't not they go on without we caretaker not interfere. Stay tuned. what do you think about salon football? And inside the next edition, we go talk about the first female coach where we go get na the Salon Premier League and different other things then. But anyway, until we meet again, plenty games them day where they happen at different side them, the east, west, north, and the south, and even yes, inside we yard. So we will get for the Guna updates, but with Salon Premier League. Until we meet again, now we yard. My name na Ali Usise.
And your name na Usman Justin.
We want for left una back with we.
Christmas song again?
1, 2, 3, go.
We dey now we yard. We dey now we yard. We dey now we yard. Usighting for it stronger every day. We dey now we yard. We dey now we yard. We dey now we yard. Usai me salary no able make me family smile. We dey wish you a Merry Christmas. We dey wish you a Merry Christmas.
We dey wish you a Merry Christmas from we are.
See right here. We dey now we yard. We dey now we yard. We dey now we yard. Usai police dey kidnap journalists for ask question. We dey now we yard. We dey now we yard. We dey now we yard. Usai
We think I they want free bread. Until we think the game no babalala.